What is going on, lads? How we doing today, man? It's your boy BJ and Trade. You know the drill. To trade recap for today. Mhm. Obviously, took some London setup on gold and then on NQ as well. One trade during London section, and today was pretty much a stressful day. I'll be honest, very stressful day. So this is the last trade, which was a crazy hour. But forget about the last trade. Let's focus on the first one. So, like we always do, we look for a market structure, and then obviously we just trade based off the market structure. So, the first trade was, there's so much going on in my chat right now, so I have to delete. But yeah, the first trade was based off the candle right here. So we have this 15-minute gap here. So this is a 15 minute fair value gap. It's a 15-minute time frame. We have a fair value gap here on the 15th, which was right here. So I'll go back to the 1 minute time frame. I think the first trade was a sell. No, the first trade, yeah, I think it was a sell. No, it was a buy. First trade was a buy. Second trade was a sell, and then the last trade was a sell as well. But let's just scroll back to uh yeah, we stopped. So we see for ourselves and see what we did. Uh, Back to the 1 minute, and then so we just scale down back to so first trade was right. Yeah. So 15-minute gap here, which is on the 15. This is the gap. And we have this resistance zone right here, which I was thinking price is gonna hold. So right there, we play price and see what happened. So we dump down there, and then we get the close on that gap. So the first trade was actually right on this place. So we got it right here on this candle. It was looking good at first because the candle printed, like it was gonna close with a body, and then before you know, all of a sudden, it's just the candle respect this big gap, and then it sell off. The next candle just pretty much fuck everything up. Yeah, that was it. That was it. That was the next candle. And then this was just, what I'm saying, a loss. I can't really judge this. If it's a loss, it's a loss. There's nothing I can do. Uh, we just, take the first loss, and then the second trade was pretty much, I think, a short position. So we were selling off, and then from there we reverse. So I was thinking this new gap is gonna hold, which is right here. That same gap is gonna hold. So the idea was just this gap to hold, and then we still sell off. So we keep playing price, and then obviously we got there, and then before you know, we took the shot there, hoping it's gonna respect this gap and then sell it off. So we got the entry right here, so we did get stopped out right here with the tight stop loss. We got stopped out there, and then it was just what it is. So right after we got stopped out, yeah, price was just consolidating. After that, yeah, we managed to make this fair value gap here. We managed to make this candle here. So I was just waiting for price to close below this candle for a CISD, for a change in state. So I was waiting for price to get a close below that place for a CISD. So what was the idea? I was still looking for short. Uh, I was thinking, okay, price is still gonna, sell off after this pump. We do have this gap. We've taken out this high as well, and then obviously we should just sell off. While in this trade, yeah, I saw this NQ setup as well. You can see just a continuation setup. We break this low, we dump, retrace, respect this gap. We have this bullish fair value gap right here. So we invest that one, and I got in right there for continuation. You can see you sell there, and then I got like 30 points, and that was just a winning trade. John of the trade was a good trade. London we dropped, and then we just look for continuation trade, and that was it for today. Uh, yeah, the gold trade, which is the last trade. So we was waiting for price to get a close below this low, and then we could look for something. So I'll play price and see what happened. And then there was a close. That was a close. So I actually got it right before the close. Yeah, we got the retest there as well. And then before you know, it was just selling off, to this low. Obviously, the tiger was just low. So the first trade was a loss, second trade was a loss, and then this one went for crazy. So the idea of the trade was just using this swing eye, the sweep of the swing eye, and then obviously CISD after the sweep of this high, we got a CISD there to the trade. Both setup was now the free setup was taken on live stream TikTok today, and then with this it was crazy day, man, crazy day. Uh, Nothing to be I'm saying nothing to be happy about. I think the first two trade I probably should have avoid them type of trades. But it's just what it is, man. You can't really. Sometimes you just want to take something. You see something you've been seeing the whole time, the whole day, and then you just take it and it just goes against you. Which right here, this would have been a win. My first two trade, yeah, obviously the first one would have been a loss, but the second one should have been this trade right here because we dumped, we took out some lows here, and then we invest this gap and then we buy off. That would have been my normal trade because I trade IFVGs. This would be the normal trade. But I don't know, for no reason I wasn't locked in. But I guess it is what it is. We still caught this move, crazy points. We did manage to take out the sell side right here. I play price. We consolidate for a bit, but we did manage to take out the sell side. So it went up, and then we just took out the sell side there, and then pretty much that was it for today. Uh, 4 trades, two loss, one win, yeah, and then the other win right here. And then yeah, on NQ, I mean you could be looking for something, but I advise you be careful. It's so volatile right now. It's just going sideways. So yeah, I'm done for the day. Nothing to, what I'm saying, nothing to take again. I'm done for the day. One win on my futures account and two loss, one win on my forex account. So I'm done for the day. Uh, like I said, if you're interested in joining the Telegram group, link in the description. Just click on the link and join up. It's free. You get free source, free trades, free signals, everything, and you don't have to pay. Yeah. So if you're not joining up, it's for your own. You get me? But yeah. Uh, Appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.